are not using the usual postage stamps anymore. There are people who still write, and when you have to send the letter, you need stamp on the envelope, right? So these stamps also reveal a lot about historical happenings or events and people. The blue box below the web gives us information about what are archives. The place where historical documents are preserved is called archives. And the main office of this National Archives of India is at our capital, New Delhi. And it is the largest among the archives in Asia. So, archives are preserved, they are documents that are preserved, they carry a lot of information about things that have happened. They are recorded, they are all recorded in a written form and preserved at this place. So archives are what? They are historical documents which are preserved for further reference and for knowledge purposes. Further, the newspapers, before I get into newspapers, we all know that right now, as in these times, we do not depend on newspapers that much because we have access to so many other mediums now for news, our phone, the internet, right? But still, it is believed that the written or the print media will be quite powerful even in the coming generations. All right. So, see, there are a lot of alternatives these days. All right. But even after the widespread use of internet, it is believed that the written or the print media will be continuing to be powerful. Now, newspapers, all of you are aware, your teachers keep telling you that you should read newspapers to not only gain information, even to improve your language. And then they give us a lot of information about events happening nationally, internationally, politics, and also different other areas like sports and literature, social and cultural happenings and from the entertainment world and so on. The newspapers are also published in the same order. Now, if you see a newspaper, the main page would always have the headlines of what has happened absolutely recently. Then the next page would include local news. Then the next would include national news, then international news, then